So for budgeting, and I did a podcast yesterday with one of my friends from Vancouver. We went over budgeting. We went over these types of accounts and other basics of finance. So I'll go over just really quickly here. What you want to be doing, it doesn't matter what your risk profile is or what you look like, is know how much money is coming in, so your income, and you can do a really quick budget, a monthly budget on a Google Sheet spreadsheet. Just like open, and your income, and then know your fixed costs. So what would that be? Maybe rent or mortgage or car, insurance, subscriptions, Netflix, right? If you're into that, whatever other fixed costs you may or may not have. So that line there, you take your income, you minus all that stuff, and that's your disposable income. Well, then you have variable costs, right? If you want to order that extra takeout on that Wednesday, then you can. And that depends on whether you're a spender or you're a saver. You're going to have more variable spend or less variable spend. Take your disposable income minus your variable expenses, and that's how much you have to save/invest. Now you can do that. That's one column. That's 1 month. You can do that times 12. You can do that for the year, and then you can really very easily see how much you're able to save. And it's really up to you if you're willing to stick to it or not, and how stringent you are and how disciplined you are, or if you're not.
Hey, Brian here. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. This mini episode was from a longer conversation I had with Victor, so feel free to watch the full episode in the description box below.